You don't fake your illness, do you, Henry? This doesn't sound like an idea that solely belongs to you, Johnson. Perhaps the thought crossed your mind. It crosses every engine's mind, but no one's taken it to the extent you have. Have you been talking to someone? Was it Gordon? 98462? No, you didn't listen to... Not 87546, surely not. I didn't want to, but he came to me, time and time again. Every word he said never left me. Johnson, whatever he told you, it's stuff and nonsense. He's a very sly sort of engine, you know that. Why would you give him any attention? I was scared. I had so much work to do, so many responsibilities, and so many of them were yours, and he was the only one who understood. He made me believe you were lying. I would love to handle all my trains, but it's not that simple. I suffer dreadfully. You, of all engines, should understand that. He told me no one cares. 87546 said no one cares about you. He said you were faking it to take advantage of me. He seemed so confident. So I began thinking. And then he told me to take action. I thought that I could. Oh, shit. Johnson, if you thought I was manipulating you, why would you let him do the same?